Let's talk briefly about the vulnerability exposed in EC2. This is the general architecture of Amazon EC2 Cloud DB provided by the Amazon, and in this one, the users can access to the targeted VM, and they can change the targeted VM, and they want to place to the different locations where they want to store the data. And while transgressing to the VMs, and while transferring from one source to next, using the channels between them, they can leak the data. So it is one of the exposed vulnerability of EC2, and it violates the customer's confidentiality. So much of data is leaking from the channel. So it is one of the vulnerability exposed in EC2. And there is common risk associated with cloud DB is phishing. So the consumer who are using the client side or general lay person have the credentials, but sometimes they are not well aware of the sites they are logging on, and in that case the phishing come into picture. So for those lay persons which can make a similar web applications UI, and you ask for logging, then in such case they can easily log in using the phishing site. Since the service is exposed from API, and there is a web applications from which they take the response, then it is no way after the web applications is transgressed in the API level, it cannot be validations who did the logging. So in general, other applications it can do a session logging, and from where the request came they can track it down, and if it is an invalid request, but you can disable the request. But for cloud DBs, whenever the service are exposed from the API and from the web, you provide the web interface, and anybody who have the access to the web interface can access to the service. So in that case, somebody can fish it down or some bait it to use the web application, and as long as they know the credential, then you can use it. So this is the risk in using cloud DBs. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.